this video tutorial, we will see how to print number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. In this pattern, every line begins with a space character. The space characters are gradually increasing from 0 to 8, line by line. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And the space characters are appended with number characters. These number characters are gradually decreasing line by line in the range of 2, 9, 7, 5, 3 and 1. And along with every number there is a space character. Let's type code to print this pattern. Set and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use one for variable j with 5. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iteration. I plus equal to 1. At the end of every iteration we are going to increase I value by 1 and we are going to reduce j value by 1. So our I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5 condition false and iteration will stop here and j value will be 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. For this type of pattern, we require a inner while loop. Let's use a variable k is equal to 0 inner while loop while k less than the length of the line, which is 9 in the first line. So j into 2 10 minus 1, which is going to give us 9, then 7, then 5, then 3 and 1. So at the end of this inner while loop, we are going to increase k value by 1. Let's print the space character. Print space. Here we are going to use I variable multiplied by 2, which is going to give us 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. And in the same line we have number character. Space and number characters are in the same line that we can achieve by using this end parameter of the print method. Now let's print the number characters. Print k plus 1. Separate the next number with the space. Let's print the result in the terminal. Py triangle.py. We can see here we have printed the result in the same line. To separate this result and print it line by line, we required one print statement outside this while loop. Run this py triangle.py file in the terminal. We can see here this is our required triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of triangle pattern.